Here, two identical trains are moving on rails along the equator on the earth in opposite directions with the same speed, which will exert the same pressure on the rails. For example, this is the earth. This is the equator. At the equator, two trains. One train is coming like this, in this way, curved path. Another train is coming like this. What having here? Two identical trains are moving on the rails along the equator, opposite directions with the same speed. Identical means this mass also same, this mass also same. Again speed, this velocity also same, this velocity also same. So what is asking? They will exert the same pressure on the rails. So here what is the pressure exerted by the train A? Here what is the pressure exerted by the train B? These two are equal or not equal? That is the question. So if this is the earth, what is this? North, south, east, west. What happening? Earth revolving west to east. For example, this train is moving with some velocity along the curved path means corresponding that radius, definitely it is having some acceleration, angular velocity. What is that angular velocity? I am taking omega 1. So V equals to R omega 1. For example, I am assuming radius also same one. So if radius is same, what happens? Here also omega 1 happens, here also omega 2 happens. These two equal only. But here what happening? Earth revolving with omega angular velocity. This train is coming in this way. Earth is moving like this. So what happens here? Effective angular velocity omega 1 plus omega happens because same direction. This rotation also same, earth rotation also same. So this is our effective angular velocity. What about this? This is moving like this. Angular velocity of the earth is like this. So what about this effective? Omega 2 minus omega. So in this case plus happened, in this case minus happened. So definitely what happens? Omega A value is more than the omega B. Omega A value more than the omega B. So for example, one body is moving along a circular path. What happening? Two forces generating. If one body is moving along a circular path with radius r, what happens? V is the speed, omega is the angular velocity. Then what happening? Centripetal force generating. What is centripetal force? mv square by r. Otherwise, mr omega square. That is the centripetal force. That is the centripetal force. So, what is asking? Pressure asking. What is the formula for pressure? Pressure equal to force by area. I am assuming here also I am considering unit area. Here also I am considering unit area. So area same. So no need to consider. Remaining what? Force. In the force what happening? Mass also same, identical given. M same. Radius also I am assuming same curved way it is moving I am assuming. Remaining what? Omega. Omega what happening here? Omega A value more. Omega A value more means pressure more. So A rail exerting more pressure on the rails. A train exerting more pressure on the rails compared to B rail. Why? Because relative velocity, effective velocity changing. Velocity of this angular velocity supporting by earth velocity. Here opposing. Due to that what happening? This is exerting more pressure. This is exerting less pressure. Pressures are not same in this case.